Black Panther, Wakanda Forever soundtrack by Ludwig Göransson, as the storyline is mostly set in the underwater civilization of Tālocān, which rooted in Mesoamerican and Wakanda which is rooted in Nigerian cultures. Göransson went to Mexico City for researching and recreating the Mayan music, feeling that the music is forcibly erased from the history. Various ancient instruments from both cultures were used and played for the score and to also recreate the Mayan music, which he felt that never heard in a film before, while orchestra and Mayan sounds were produced into the score. The theme for T'Challa, the titular protagonist, in the first film were altered and integrated in the score. Released on November 11, coinciding the film's release. Thank you brother Oran Z.